P-456, 8, is transmitter of the wireless EXTA LIFE control system. It allows simultaneous control of more than one device. It is perfect for lighting systems and window roller blinds. The remote control works with all receivers as well as the EXTA LIFE system controller. 8 ergonomic silicone buttons are used for control. Ring, with green LEDs, indicates transmission, and the necessity of replace the battery. The remote control has magnet and adhesive mounting element on the back side of the housing. Thanks to this, the remote control can be mounted on almost any surface. The remote control is powered by a single CR2032 battery. The transmitter must be at the programming stage associated with the receiver to be controlled. Normally pairing could be done using the prog button. It could be assigned more transmitters into one receiver. In this way, one transmitter can independently control up to 8 channels, circuits. Moreover, different operating modes increase its functionality. Each buttons of the remote control can be assigned to the receiver, for example, in the switch on, switch off mode, bistable or monostable mode, time mode with respective set switching times. In the case of blinds, they can be programmed locally or centrally. In order to use the transmitter, with the EXTA LIFE controller, it must be paired with the controller first, mean as physical registration in the system. In order to identify the transmitter later, it is recommended to give it a known name, well known by the user. Registration of the transmitter in the system allows, among others, its remote adding to receivers. It is an extremely convenient tool because during this operation, no physical access to the receiver is required. Thanks to this, it can be added a new transmitter at any time, in any operating mode, switch on time could be set, and more. After such assignment, the transmitter immediately work with the receiver, according to selected mode. By using the application, it could be quickly check which transmitters, in which configuration is assigned to a given receiver, or selectively remove them. Also by the application, remote controller could be conveniently removed from the controller's resources.